Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Defective Detective here. So today we are gonna shoot the second video of the Discord.js series. So the last time we left off, we basically made a bot like here and invited it into our server. In this video we are gonna just do like make it online using our code. Alright, so let's get started. So I hope you already have the prerequisites as I mentioned them before. So I am using Visual Studio Code as I'm saying again. So firstly we are gonna go to the PowerShell and we are gonna type like cd documents. So I want to store my code somewhere. I don't want it to be in my users folder, like my account folder under users. So I'm gonna go to documents and I'm gonna go to coding folder and then I'm gonna make something. But let me just elaborate what is like documents, like cd and cd whatever. So basically what is run by cd is change directory. So now what is a directory? Directory is just a fancy way of saying folders in Windows and Linux and Mac. So basically we are going inside the directory in our if you just paste this into your file system, you will find that it exists. Now inside we want to make a folder, so I am just going to make directory, mkdir, make directory, and I will just name it YT tutorial. Alright, and here it is. Now we want to enter inside that, so YT tutorial. Now I hope you got Node.js installed already. So what we are gonna do is npm init, and okay. Now you need to enter the package name. So what is the package name? Package name is basically the name of your project. What do you want to name it inside your package.json? So you can name it anything, but there's one limitation. There are some actually. So firstly, you cannot have spaces. You need to use all the URI friendly characters. So no spaces, no tabs or something. Alright, and secondly you cannot use any capital letters, so all have to be small. So YT tutorial, so basically they already have their own default, so if you do not wanna type it, I can just simply hit enter and the package name shall be the same. I'm just gonna name my version this, description, YouTube tutorial series bot. Let's just name it in like bot.js. Test command shall be node dot. Git repository I have none. Keywords I don't have any yet. Author defective detective, so defective detective, and license I'm just gonna do MIT. Yes, okay, done. Now what we want to do is we want to open it into our text editor. So I am using Visual Studio Code. If you want to do that, you can do that, or like Visual Studio Code has like this feature which I like a lot. If you don't have the if your IDE does not have that, you can just go to the file system and do that. So I'm just gonna do code dot and it will open it for me. Let's wait it for it to load. And here we are. Now I am gonna go to my PowerShell again and I'm just gonna do npm install discord.js. Now it will install discord.js into my project. Alright, so in the meanwhile let's just make a new file. Oh, Sorry. Oops. Yeah. Man, this sucks. Whenever I am trying to do something, it is just interrupting. Happens sometime. Okay. So here we made our bot.js. Alright. Yeah, this is some other theme. It is not the default theme which you come with in Visual Studio Code. Now Visual Studio Code has a built-in terminal which you might want to use, which I am gonna use at least. So you can go to terminal, and here you see the shortcut for it. Yeah, so I don't really like to use a PowerShell as much because it doesn't support copying the output a lot. So now we are here. Let's start. So here's a terminal. Let's just maximize it. Const discord equals require discord.js. Okay, so here it is. This is our first line, of course. Now we are gonna name our, we are gonna make our client. So client is basically the bot user. So let's just name this variable bot so that we can understand, just for understanding. So new discord dot client. Now if you have intents enabled in your settings, as I told you to do, if you don't want to use it or do it, it is your wish, then you may not use it as well, your wish. But since I got it enabled, let me just use it. So we are gonna pull in a pair of curly brackets and hit enter because that looks cleaner. So now we are gonna do WS and BTW. For those who do not know what WS is, WS stands for WebSocket. So yeah, WebSocket stuff. So intents discord dot intents dot all. So I just enabled all. You may not have all. Okay, and then after doing that, I do not want my bot to be able to mention everyone, so disable mentions everyone. Now all would be a bit too much, so I just remove the perms to do that. Okay, yeah, so we just made our client, but now we need to log it in. Alright, so we want it to log in, so we are gonna go to our browser again. Here is our bot. Now you will see there's something known as token here, right? So token is basically like a email ID and or phone number plus our password. So kind of like if you give out your token, your bot is gone, basically gone, because people will be able to do things with your bot, make your bot do things which you do not want it to do. I think you get what it can do. So you definitely don't want that, so you shouldn't ever reveal your token. You can see it here, but you shouldn't tell your token or make your token public in any way. If you ever get your token public, even by mistake, I will say you should click on regenerate right, and then you shouldn't wait for anything, because or else your bot can be totally manipulated by others unless you do that. Alright, so a token looks like this. Okay, so I just revealed it, I know, don't worry, because I will change it later. Alright, so we are gonna copy the token like that, and let's just jump right back into our code, and we are gonna do bot dot login. So login, put it as a string. Now this will make our bot to log in to Discord every time we run this file. Alright, but how will we know that this is logging in or logging out, apart from checking Discord every time to check if it is online or not. We want to get a confirmation, right? So why not just make it? So this is bot dot once ready. Okay, so now what we are gonna do is we are gonna listen for an event. All right, so what is an event? Event is something which happens on Discord. Let's say, like, there are various events. Let's say when a channel is created, when a message is sent, all are different like stuff. So someone starts typing, a kill list joins, there are various events. So this is the ready event. So when the bot is ready to listen for others, so that is what we do. So this is our event name, so it listens for this event, and it doesn't give us anything. So it doesn't, like, Discord API does not provide us anything inside, so we can just execute some code to see when it is like ready or not. So it is just for the developers who are running the application, who are not, like, this won't be seen by anyone. So we are just gonna do console.log the bot has logged in, exclamation point, I guess. Okay, let's space it out a bit. Okay, so we are technically done. So this will make our bot online today. All right, so let's just try it out. So let's just pull up our terminal using the shortcut node dot. Now basically, if you didn't specify the test command, then you can simply run node bot.js if you want, but since I specified my test command as node dot, so it will work. Now we need to wait for the program to run, and it should come online here. So the bot has come logged in, and in the next video we are gonna make our first command. All right, so today we just did, like, first we made our bot, next we made our bot login and received a confirmation. Next time we are gonna listen for messages, messages, and then we are gonna make a basic ping command, and then we can go on and on and on. All right, so thanks for watching. Please comment down below your tips, suggestions, requests, anything, or in the comment section down below.